Hi, this is a video of a shower we built with carbon core fiberglass. We have a 2020 Ram Promaster 2500 159 wheelbase. We insulated the floor with a bed rug for the Promaster and put back the factory floor. We built the shower with very minimal wood for framing, and the rest is built with carbon core fiberglass. We used the thicker 1/2 inch carbon core fiberglass for the two sides, the bottom and the top, and the 1/4 inch fiberglass for the back because it's more bendable to match the curve of the van. Shower pan. We bought a dog crate steel pan from Amazon, and the seller was kind enough to make the size 3 inches high so we can use it. The fiberglass for carbon core is very easy to work with. It is very lightweight, easy to clean, water resistant, waterproof. You can use nail on them, and the only thing we needed to do to seal the frames together was caulking tape, and that's it. We used the peel and stick backsplash from Amazon on the walls of the shower just for decor. We could have easily left it white,